Hi Unicorns class, hope you're all okay. I've got a story for you. It's called Bee, Nature's Tiny Miracle. Dawn is breaking on a brand new day, and in the meadow poppies sway. A bee appears, striped black and gold. A wonder of nature is about to unfold. In the treetops, birds start to sing. The little bee beats her wings. As she travels here and there, a gentle thrumming fills the air. Back and forth, toing and froing, the bee knows exactly where she's going. Visiting flowers of every hue, she has a special job to do. Gathering nectar as she goes, from every foxglove, every rose. Dusty with pollen, the little bee buzzes busily. Bee travels on from bloom to bloom, drawn in by their sweet perfume. Harvesting flowers one by one, her compass is the midday sun. Among the orchard's apple trees, blossom quivers in the breeze. Carrying pollen from place to place, bee always leaves a tiny trace. Flowers as far as the eye can see, too many flowers for just one bee. All of a sudden, bee is gone. She has a message to pass on. Back at the hive, bee spreads the news. There's work to be done, no time to lose. Listen for their gentle humming. The word is out, the bees are coming. Buzzing over the dense hedgerows, past the pond where wild thyme grows. Through the orchard's sweet-smelling scent, the bees travel on with calm intent. As lilies glow orange in the sun, the bees must finish what they've begun, stopping at every flower they find, leaving the gift of pollen behind. The bees pass over a woodland stream. Droplets sparkle and pebbles gleam. Water trickles, bubbles and weaves. A weeping willow trails its leaves. As the bees fly on through buds and burrs, a tiny miracle occurs. For every plant and flower you see was given life by just one bee. It's the end. I hope you all have a nice weekend. Bye.